Hi students, let us try to understand that is relationship between CP and CB student. Not CP CB, KC and KP. KC and KP. That first you try to understand. Student, it is the equation is there A mole of A plus B mole of B. It is reversibly giving C mole of C plus D mole of D. So KC very simple you can write here, that is you know sum of the that is product of the molar concentration of product. So product are there, what are we are having product student, C and D are the product. So root is square bracket of the C, you know power C, and D power it is going to be D, and divided by A power A, and divide B power B. Similarly, when you are writing that is KP students, so how we will write KP? To write the KP, it is going to be PA, similarly, that is product of partial pressure of product. So this is going to be PC power C and PD power D divided by PA power A and PB, okay, PB power B. This is what is there. Now students here, where you keep in mind one thing, they are the partial pressure, and we know very well, you know we know very well that is partial PV is equal to nRT, right? So P is equal to what? N by V RT, or P is equal to what? N by V means molar concentration, RT. So when you are writing that is PA student, PA, so you know a PA and power A is there. So how can we write student? That is C is there, no? So in the bracket you need to write that is A. How you can write? Here is C students. Here you are writing that is A, okay, and RT is there. RT power A, and this is also going to be A. Similarly, if you are writing PB, power B is there. So here is B power going to be B, and RT power also going to be B. PC, when you are writing dear student, PC power C, so that is here you will the C, square C power C, RT power C, and PD if you are writing that is, so it will be that is D power D and RT power D. So student, what we are going to do, we are putting these values to equation 2. These are all the value in the equation, because this is 1 and this is 2. So what we can write, dear student, Kp is equal to what? That is, it is going to be C power C RT power C, okay, and here is D, right, power D RT power, it is going to be D. Similarly, what we are having, student, what is happening, that is A power A RT power A and B power B RT power, what is there student, that is going to be B. Here you see something common are there, RT power, RT is common, okay. So what we can write, that is C power C D power D, then we are having that is A power A B power B, and here is what is RT C plus D. Here is what is there, RT A plus B. So what will be happening, student, that is, if you are seeing, that is from, this is equation number 3, from 1 and 3, from 1 and 3. So from 1 and 3 if you are writing there, student, so Kp is equal to, here this is value is equal to what? Kc. Kp is equal to Kc RT power C plus D minus what is A plus B. So better you can write that is Kp is equal to Kc RT power delta Ng, right? This is, and delta Ng, student, number of gaseous product, this is going number of gaseous product divided by minus number of gaseous reactant. No, this is number of gaseous product divided by gaseous. This is all about the relationship between Kp and Kc.